course, behind every big campaign is a bigger purpose. And for Converge SME, hindi lang ito tungkol sa pag-launch ng products nila.
I think tungkol din ito sa pag-intindi ng real experiences ng mga MSMEs and the real needs they have for their negosyo growth. Ngayon, it's a privilege na makausap din natin ang AVP for Segment Marketing, Mr. Joseph Aldaba, and of course, the man behind all this, Senior Vice President and Head of SME Business, Mr. Dindo Marzan. Wow! Ang lakas ng hatak. Oo. Ang lakas ng hatak. Okay, for Sir Dindo, let's start with you. Ano yung inspiration ng team to create such a powerful campaign focusing on MSMEs?
It all started with us acknowledging that the willpower of the Filipino people is really phenomenal.
Yeah.
I mean, everyone would always have like a side hustle or a racket just to survive. I mean, with all the things that happened in our country, in our economy, you just need to find a way to earn a living and have extra income. When we were brainstorming, we were thinking, how can we really show this effort of MSMEs? It's about time that the spotlight would be theirs. It's about time that we acknowledge gaano kagaling mga Pilipino na entrepreneur. Sabi nga nila, the Filipinos are really entrepreneurial. I mean, whether in the country or outside the country, laging meron yung racket, magre-resell ng something, virtual selling. I mean, ang diskarte talaga, hindi mo matatawaran. So, we want to make sure that that gets shown in this particular campaign. And I think the marketing team pretty much did a good job.
You know, for me, what makes this campaign interesting is hindi lang siya yung very technical approach since it's internet. Talagang you uplifted human connection above everything else.
And this makes it very perfect to insert our next question, Stacy.
Yeah, so for Sir Joseph naman, so bakit ito yung tamang story na ikwento as an internet provider serving MSMEs?
Okay, so I think that's a very good question. And what it gives us is an opportunity to present Converge SME as a company that sells not just utility. We're selling here reliability. No, so what the Connection series is giving us are three things. The first one is that it humanizes the high stakes of MSMEs. Sa MSME, pag yung operations nila, it fails because of connectivity, it's not just one day of
Chain reaction.
Yes, agree. So it's more on survival for them.
Yeah.
Diba? And then the second point, or the second thing that is being done by this series, is it shows Converge SME as an active participant, as an enabler of that ecosystem. And leading us to my third point, na we're not just here as someone that sells to you, basically. We want to be part of your growth from whatever stage in your business you are. Whether you're a startup, whether you're in a stage where you want to grow and you want to build, we want to be in each of those stages, offering you with our solutions, offering you the service that you need that's fit for your business.
Grabe, may puso talaga si Converge SME.
And I think one thing that people forget, is that behind every small negosyo is a family, a dream,
real people
the
running
challenge.
it.
Yes, exactly. The challenges of setting up that business. Minsan nga, madalas personal pa yung challenges, diba?
And this campaign really captured that, that human side of things.
Exactly. For Sir Dindo, how does this campaign reflect your business unit's understanding of MSMEs and the people behind it?
This is really very personal, in terms of capturing the psyche of the MSME. Kasi I know for a fact, siguro at the very least 50% of my team are negosyantes or have their own business. I have my own startup. Wow. A lot of people also do side hustle. I know that. I mean, you need that, diba? To survive in the Philippines. I mean, the income wouldn't just be enough if you just have, as they say, your 9 to 5 pays the bills, your 6 onward or 6 p.m. onward or 6 to 11 builds the empire.
I like
So
that.
lahat tayo talaga nagsa-side hustle. Hustler, right?
Yeah.
Hustle. So for me, the business unit really understands what MSME is all about, our struggles, how we actually find a way to solve a pain point or address a pain point. And at the same time, whenever we think about MSMEs, we also think about ourselves. Kasi parang, if we know that in our own business, we're also struggling, what more yung mga walang access to funds, walang access to solutions, walang access to knowledge. So, it wasn't really difficult for the business unit to think about solutions or things that would help the MSMEs. It's just basically like articulating what we need as MSMEs ourselves.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You understand it because you yourselves are
MSMEs.
Part of that.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, exactly.
Yeah. So after launching something so emotionally resonant na iniyakan ko ng iniyakan ko episodes na to.
Medyo okay yung pag-iyak
Tuwing
niya,
napapanood ko
promise.
talaga, umiiyak talaga ako
Parang pangatlong beses mo na panood, umiyak ka pa
Oo,
din.
talaga. So the question now to the marketing team and of course you, sir, how are you gonna top this? Okay,
Masyado
sa mga
yung
susunod.
ginalingan. Masyadong ginalingan. Paano na to?
How would you top it?
Yeah.
Pressure, Ano?
Okay, so the Connection series is just the beginning. No? So what we want to do is to shift from just storytelling to story doing. No? Alam mo yun, so we're featuring an example of a business that's growing.
Right.
No? You see the stages na from the time they started all the way to growing, expanding. No? And what we're doing is we want to do that in real life. No, hindi lang siya, it's not just for show. Kasi we are showing real people. We are going to be part of the struggles, the journey, the day-to-day, yes, and then building their businesses. No? So again, regardless of their intent for running the business, whether it be survival, growth, passion, diba? It's going to be something that we will embed ourselves into as Converge SME. No? So our solutions will be based on a strong, reliable connection. But the tools that we're giving are the tools that they need. No? So in terms of campaigns, we will continue building that ecosystem and growing that relationship with them. Yeah.
Needless to
Grabe.
say, this campaign has been such a huge success, especially after you launched Micro Bizmax. Now, everyone's excited. Ano na bang kasunod? After the Connection series, what is next for Converge SME? Because clearly, this is just the beginning.
Well, also to react to what Joseph mentioned, I wasn't expecting na the result of this campaign would be this big. Kasi parang, how do you top that? No? So nakaka-challenge. But I was just thinking as well, kasi masyadong ginalingan nito eh. So I was just thinking, this is actually just, we're just getting started. Hindi sa nagyayabang, we're just getting started, guys. But with this story kasi, we wanna be part of the stages of growth and development and even struggles of this MSME. So you saw there that Connection is all about internet connection. But I'm sure you know for a fact that Converge would be beyond connection.
Yeah.
And I don't want to preempt it too much, but basically, if you have connection, what happens after that, diba? Because connection is just getting connected to the world globally. There's unlimited possibilities once you have an internet connection. And that's me in a way. Tinitignan na ako ni Joe, sabi niya, boss, baka ma-share, masobra. But the truth is, we're really just getting started. And for Converge SME, expect us to be part of every step of growth and development of every MSME. When you say we're gonna be your strategic partner, your business consultant, your kaibigan, kakampi, kasangga, we seriously mean it because we know, as I said, we know the struggles of MSMEs and we know their pain points. So me being the head of Converge SME, obviously, can really relate to how an MSME grows, no? And that's when Converge SME becomes a real strategic partner of every entrepreneur here in the Philippines because we know that if you need, let's say, anything beyond connectivity, will be here. Either us serving you what you need or partnering with really good brands, with brands that are really catering to MSMEs. Expect that. I mean, I don't want to talk a lot about our plans, but I'm just excited and hopefully you keep on waiting for more on what's in store for our MSMEs.
Grabe, no? When you have clear vision and a very deep purpose, something really beautiful comes out of it. So, thank you so much for sharing.
Thanks,
Not
Sir
a lot,
Joseph.
but just
Thanks, Sir
enough.
Joseph.
Just
Yes,
enough to
yes.
excite
Just
them.
enough.
Thank you,
So,
thank you.
Thank you.
so much.
Congratulations again on this
Salamat,
wonderful
salamat.
campaign.
Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko sa campaign na to is how it reminds us that technology is at its best when it brings people together.
Whether it's families reconnecting, small businesses growing, or communities staying connected, ito yung mga kwento na worth it bigyan ng effort at i-share sa lahat.
So thank you so much to everyone who joined us today.
And congratulations again to Converge SME, Pizza Box, and of course, Connie and Verhel. That's Ralph and Jailene. Also to the beautiful team who put this together, congratulations to you all. See you next time!